Bro, what the hell is that? It gotta be a bird, bro. I ain't never heard something so loud. The fuck is coming from? That is close. Ah! Damn. You alright? She don't even know what it is. I'm about to let country come out here and handle it. Think it's a skinwalker? Fucking skin. I ain't never heard that all the time I've been living here. Never. Could be a stalk though. Goddamn skinwalker. I had to be a bird, bro. Hope it was a bird. I never heard a bird so damn loud, bro. Now all of a sudden it's gone. Bro, I had to come out of the house to see what it was because the bitch was so loud, bro. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, man. You know, goddamn crow or rooster. Now you just watching whatever it is. Nigga just quiet.